That's it. I don't care what you say. You can tell me anything that you want. You can show me any information that's going on right now, any type of drops that's happening right now. I don't care what you say. Altcoin season is here, right? It's here, and we're excited to see all the different things that are taking place right now, all the different adoption, all the different people that are now getting on board with what crypto can do and crypto can potentially do. It's just making me so excited to see every single day there's some bit of news to where the government, where businesses, where regular people, banks, everyone is all about adopting and believing and seeing cryptocurrency. And it makes me feel great for somebody that has believed in cryptocurrency and sees all the comments every single day where people's like crypto is just not going to be it's not going to be it. It's not worth anything. You're not going to be able to use it. It's going downhill. It's going to go to zero. And I see those comments and I'm like, how can people say that? Right? I understand that you look back at it and you're like, that's how people treated the internet. That's how people treated a lot of things that were outside of the norm. So it's kind of understandable. But you would think that people would learn from those situations, right? When you have something that you missed out on where you didn't make as much money as you were supposed to, or you didn't make any money because you didn't believe in it, you have to take some risks, especially something that has as big of a following as cryptocurrency. And we're talking about various protocols, various projects, and use cases, and all of the things that they have there. It's not just one specific category that it can be used for. So when I look at it, I'm excited about crypto, but I'm also fearful for the people that never decided to get in and don't believe in it, because those people are going to miss out on something that could be massive for everybody. But right now, with everything that's going on, crypto is at the forefront. It's literally center table. It's right there at the head of the table. It's right in front of your face, and it's not going anywhere. So altcoin season is here. Whether it's as strong as we want it to be, it is here, and it's going to progressively get better for anybody that holds altcoins going forward. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I have a link for Patreon and Twitter. Also, if you want to check out my link for BTCC, if you guys are interested in a platform to where you can leverage trade, you can trade outright or you can demo trade. Now, if you're not used to leverage trading, this is what the demo platform comes into play, right? Where you're able to utilize that demo platform to test out different leverage trades that you would make. But if you want to get familiar with it, just educate yourself a little bit, do some research, try and put through a couple of trades here and there at a 2x leverage, understand a little bit more what you're risking, and then you can go on about your day. Because if you missed from less than $1 trillion market cap to a $3+ trillion market cap, you can now make up a little bit of ground if you're doing a 2x or 3x leverage if you manage your risk well. So feel free to check out my link down below for BTCC. They are partnered with the channel. You can get a 10% deposit bonus when you use my link, as well as extra bonuses up to $10,055, 40% lower trading fees, and you can trade all the way up to a 500x leverage. However, I never recommend that. I recommend anything less. 2 to 10x leverage. If you're just starting out, 2 to 3x leverage, just to get an understanding of it. And then you can start taking maybe a little bit more risk with less money. But feel free to check that out. Link is at the top of the description. But the markets were definitely interesting today. And I would say they weren't really reacting the way that I thought they were, because, you look at CPI data, and CPI data says that in April, you decreased, you're at 2.3%. Where the projected, the forecasted, you're looking at 2.5%, previous is 2.4%, right? And you're currently at 2.3%. So it's doing great, right? You're not seeing that jump like you did from September to October, where it went from 2.4 to 2.6. We're seeing 2.4 down to 2.3, right? It's getting better and better as we look at that information. So my thought process was, yeah, it's going to be insanely positive. However, it started out very, very negative for everything in the markets, especially cryptocurrency. But right now we're seeing a little bit of a turnaround. Yes, we're not seeing the same level of volume in the $200 billion range, but we are seeing 147 billion, and we are up by about 2%. With Bitcoin being 2.4% up today, and you're seeing Ethereum actually up 6.2%. 2% today. Currently at a $3.37 trillion market cap. We are making our way. We're definitely taking strides to get to the places that we believe we should get to, the $5 trillion, $10 trillion mark. And if you don't know, Coinbase is a publicly traded company. Coinbase has been out there for a while, was a part of its IPO, and I decided to get into it when it was around $360 and ended up increasing to 400 plus. I sold all of it, made money from it, put it back in at the low, made a little bit more money, then put it back in, and it ended up losing a little bit. So ultimately I made money from those short-term plays that I make, right? But I wanted to invest heavily into it when I did find a settle spot. Now it did come down to like $50. I bought at a little bit higher. I averaged into it. So I bought at 100, I bought at 200, and I consistently bought at 200. So right now over in Webull, I have a decent amount of Coinbase sitting over there. But why am I talking about Coinbase? Well, it's a cryptocurrency exchange that is an American cryptocurrency exchange, a publicly traded cryptocurrency exchange. And now with their stock, Coin, it has surged more than 18% on Tuesday, which is today, as Wall Street cheered the inclusion of the first and only crypto exchange in the S&P 500. A major milestone for the company and the industry once in the crosshairs of regulators. This went from a sector, this went from a market to where people said, nobody can ever make sense of this and you're never going to be able to use it, to now you have Coinbase, coin stock, that's in the S&P 500. You have the government that is talking about cryptocurrency and the way to utilize and store cryptocurrency, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, ADA, Solana, all of those, mentioning cryptocurrencies by name, being able to utilize cryptocurrencies within banks, seeing the fight against XRP as an unregistered security, right? All of these things, and then now getting to a form of clarity and getting to a form of understanding and getting to a form of adoption. This, the ETFs, eventually the all-encompassing ETFs, this right here is why this altcoin season is going to be absolutely massive for everybody, for everything. And for the people that have doubted crypto and consistently doubt crypto, I feel sorry for you. I really do. Because you have all the opportunity in the world to be a part of it and to be a part of it long term and to be a part of the major picture that we will be painting as the years go on. But you decide to sit on the sidelines and just say it's never going to happen. Nothing's ever going to happen. And whatever does happen, it's all a fluke. I mean, it's altcoin season, baby. It's altcoin season, and I'm excited. I'm so excited. Yes, we're still not seeing the percentage of Bitcoin dominance decrease yet, but we're seeing all of the things to set this up. And when it does explode, when we do see everything else that takes off and makes bigger moves, I'm excited for you. I'm excited for the next person. I'm excited for me, and I just can't wait. It's being included. And we are being included. So you should be excited. I mean, I'm very, very excited. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below, where you stand with cryptocurrency and what your plan is going forward. Whether you think that altcoin season is literally right around the corner, if we're here, or if we're never going to get there, put it in the comment section below and we'll see what we have down there. I'll try and respond to as many people that aren't scammers and spammers as possible. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.